Hey, I'm V. Nice to meet you. You ready to run? Let's get your step rating checked. Step to this beat. You're at your ideal pace for burning fat.
Hey guys, it's Jack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a hashtag Fit with Jack video for you guys. Originally, I had planned to do a week of running. I've done 2 other videos like this in the past and you guys seem to really like it. So this video was supposed to be a week of running 3 miles every single day, but I didn't get around to doing that. I know, I'm disappointed too. I just haven't been able to run every single day consistently for a week. I've been running, but it hasn't been consistent, so like I haven't been able to put together a full montage of clips to show me running a full week. It just hasn't happened, but I didn't want to delay this video anymore because the headphones that I'm trying out, I do want to talk about them and share my experience. I've been trying out these new headphones and you guys have seen me talk about this a couple different times on my vlog channel. So instead of like an actual running fitness montage type of video, this is still a fitness related video, but it's going to be a sit down review. So I hope that's okay with you guys. But I know when I first brought this up on my vlog channel, you guys were really interested in hearing more. So the product or the headphones that I'm talking about today are the V Personal Trainer headphones. This is what it looks like right here. And I'm going to share with you guys the unboxing and everything like that. But first, let's talk about what is V? Before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. I do hair and makeup videos most of the time, and then occasionally I'll do like lifestyle and fitness related videos, like just sprinkled in here and there. And today is a fitness video. But before we get started, I just want to thank V for sponsoring this video, and I'm really excited to share these headphones with you guys and give you guys my honest review and opinions on it. So I'm going to read you what V claims to do. It says V coaches in real time based on your biometrics, creating a more dynamic and effective workout. So it has these little sensors here. So this little part goes around your neck, and then there's little sensors right under the earbuds, so it's like pressed against your skin so it can track your heart rate and all that kind of stuff. What's also cool is that V really engages with you and interacts with you on voice commands, so it's always keeping you on your toes during your workout. And this is called V Personal Trainer, so of course V is going to create a personalized workout plan designed for you that works for you based off of like a series of questions that she asks you. Like the headphones really want to get to know you, which is, I know that sounds so weird to say like that sentence. These headphones really want to get to know you, but it's true. There's a whole list of questions that V will ask you to get to know you and like create a realistic workout plan for you to help you reach your goals. And with the little sensors that I pointed out earlier to you guys, V is able to really track you a whole lot better than a human trainer can track you. So you're really getting an effective and personalized plan catered just to you. If you're interested, I will of course have a link down below for you guys. So now let's get into the unboxing. So this is what you will get when you order the V Personal Trainer headphones, this big sturdy box, and then you open it. And then you have these 2 sides here. This first one says, "Hey there, I can't wait to meet you." Also, that reminds me, I really like V's voice because it's not like weird and robotic like Siri's voice. Like it feels like you're listening to an actual human talking to you. So anyways, on this first little section, this is where the headphones come in. Obviously I took them out, but they're right here. And then over here on this next side, lift this up, and then you get like the charging USB cord right here, and then you get this little pouch here that you can put, like this mesh pouch, you can put your headphones in. Then you have this little case over here. You open it up and you can find the right like earbud size that fits your ears perfectly. And I actually did have to change it because I have really tiny ears, so I always have to pick the tiniest earbud size that they have, so I did switch the buds out so they fit perfectly in my ear. But you have all these different sizes to choose from. So right off the bat, I love how like lightweight and like tiny these headphones are. They're not distracting, they're not super bulky, so they don't bother me during my workout. And you guys know I love running, so that's why when I saw these headphones, I was so interested in trying them out and doing this review for you guys, because I genuinely love running. I know there's a lot of people that don't, but I genuinely love running, so I thought this would be a great addition to the workouts that I've already been doing. So once you do get the headphones, there is an app that you have to download, and it is called V Trainer, and then it has like your customized workout for the week, and it does change and update as like the weeks go on. So on this little like neck part, I don't really know what this is called, but the part that goes around your neck, on the right hand side you have the volume button, so turn it up or turn it down, and then in the middle you have the on and off button. While you're wearing the headphones, you can tap on the like earbud, just tap it, and kind of like Siri, like when you tap this button, oops, and then you can talk to Siri. That's the same thing. So you just like press, like while you're running and doing your workout, you can press this button, and then you'll hear a little beep, and then you can say a command. And I feel like the more you use the headphones, the more she'll understand what you want and your needs and goals. And I just feel like the more you use the headphones, the more like V and you will learn to communicate and work together a lot better. The one thing I was worried about when trying out these headphones was like, am I still gonna be able to listen to my music? And the answer is yes. You can put your Spotify on and then open up another window on your phone and use the V app. So you can still listen to your music. And I've used these listening to music, and I didn't find it like really distracting or anything. Like I was still able to enjoy my music, but then hear her coaching along the way. But then I've also used these where I had no music at all, and I was just listening to V's coaching and her encouragement and things like that. And I actually liked it both ways, but I did feel like I was able to tune in more and connect better with my run when I had no music at all, because I was able to really just focus solely on what V was telling me. And when you go on to the app on your phone, there's so many different ways to customize. You can actually change the chattiness level of V, so maybe she's talking a little too much and you just don't want that. You can turn her down. So I like that you can customize the amount that she's talking, but I feel like if you are going to get the headphones, why not like listen to everything she has to say? And I do find that she is encouraging, and she even makes jokes along the way, so it makes your workout not as like miserable. Like you're like, oh my gosh, why is she trying to make me laugh while I'm running? Like it just lightens the mood, you know what I mean? And then you can view all the different type of workouts you can do. Of course, V is going to customize it to what your goals are, but if you are just like, you know what, I kind of want to do my own thing, you can definitely create something as well. So there's a lot of ways to customize, personalize, and just have control over what type of workouts you want to do and how much help and encouragement you really need. I think these are actually perfect for people who are just starting out, who need a little bit of help, especially if you don't like running. Maybe using V will help you find running a little bit more enjoyable. For me personally, I already love running, so me getting out there and running is not the problem. It's actually improving my runs, because I kind of like have this slower pace. You guys have seen how I run. I kind of have this slower pace, and she actually helped me speed it up and run a little bit faster and push myself harder than I have before. So sometimes she'll do like this beat where it's like, run along to this beat, and then she'll play like a beat. Overall, I did find these headphones super enjoyable to use, and they were super helpful and encouraging for my runs and my workouts. And if you are trying to get into running, I highly recommend these headphones. You can click the link below and get V for $149, and you'll get the first 12 months of the V Trainer app for free. So if you are interested, definitely check it out. Thanks again for V for sponsoring this video. I had so much fun trying these out, and I'm definitely excited to continue using them. And if you guys would still like to see a week of running 3 miles every day, let me know in the comments below, and I can try to make that happen for you guys. I've been a little off my game, but I can try if you guys are still interested in seeing that. And if you have other type of fitness related videos you guys would like to see me do, or maybe like fitness challenges you guys would like to see me try, let me know, because obviously I'm no fitness guru. I'm just like your average girl trying to get back into shape. So if you have some challenges you want to see me attempt to do, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!